Mapping products on DSers ensures that your store's products are correctly linked with those from your supplier. This process helps with smooth order synchronization and fulfillment. Here's how to do it. Log into DSers. Access your DSers account and navigate to your dashboard. Go to the Product Mapping section. In the dashboard, click on Products Mapping. This section is where you can link the products from your store with the supplier's products. Select your store and product. Choose the store where you want to map products. A list of your store's products will appear. Search for the supplier's product. Use the product search feature to find the relevant AliExpress product. Alternatively, you can paste the product URL from AliExpress into the search bar. Map variants. If your product has multiple variants, map each variant correctly to the corresponding supplier variant to avoid errors during fulfillment. Save the mapping. Click Save to confirm the mapping. Now, DSers will automatically link orders from your store to the mapped product on AliExpress for seamless fulfillment.